Cheers.
Mhlawumbe uyazibuza ukuthi isigawulani. Zwakala, awuthi ngikubonise.
They're going to write about this in the history books.
Hey, yo, Shap Kunjan Bafetu, it's your boy Dali Danger. Bafetu, today we are making a smoked oxtail lasagna. We've got the drum smoker here, so let's start by firing it up. So Bafetu, so talang ekoli too. And then we're going to use our fire lighters. I think people have a misconception about fire lighters. Somebody in the comments of my last video said that I mustn't use fire lighters because they give the meat a bad taste. And to me, that tells me that you are using fire lighters wrong. So hopefully in this video, I'll be able to explain. When it comes to fire lighters, you have to make sure that you put them as big pieces like this. So we need them whole as big pieces so that they can be able to light the coals properly. Once the fire lighters are lit, just make sure that you don't fry anything up until the fire lighters have completely burnt out. So make sure that the chemicals in the fire lighters do not affect your meat.
Now my ingredients of vandaag. So vandaag bafethu so yenza smoked oxtail. Start by patting your meat dry, then sit the olive oil, then you give your meat a good rub. And then the barbecue rub here too. Then the SPG here too. Danko bafethu.
Today we'll be using oak wood from Into the Woods. Oak wood is such a versatile flavor profile and you can use it on anything. Danko bafethu. So bafethu, we'll be smoking our beautiful oxtail for an hour or so. Angazi nami so bona khona. Let's get it bafethu.
Bafethu, we'll be smoking these for 2.5 hours and spritzing them every 30 minutes using cherry cola. Danko. From that bafethu, so 2 cups of ivati, 1 cup of red wine, red sauce, soy sauce, and then the oxtail stock here too. And then we mix. And then the barbecue spice here too. Then the cherry cola. And then we mix. Danko.
Bafethu, so it has been 2.5 hours. I think it's time to check on our oxtail. So bafethu, we are going to put it in the water to get braised. Look at that. Wow, eh? No, they'll also get braised.
Once our oxtail is tender, keeper, and then we shred it. Look at how beautiful my meat looks. Wow, hey? From there, we're gonna assemble our lasagna. Stala ngesauce here too. And then we lay our pasta sheets. Get them all in every corner. And then we lay the meat. From there, sit baby spinach here too. And then sit Béchamel sauce. And then sit Gouda cheese here too. And then sit Parmesan. And then we repeat until we reach the top. From that bafethu, we're gonna add a generous amount of the cheese on top to make sure that our lasagna forms a nice and beautiful crust. We're gonna finish it off with basil on top for garnishing. And then bafethu, so fire in the oven for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's nice and crispy. And if your smoked oxtail lasagna does not look like this, Jayam, you did something wrong. Ask Kauli.
Hey yo, Shap Kunjan bafethu, it's your boy Dali Danger. And bafethu, angikho one, you know?
Dalito Chandi.
And bafethu, nizibonele nani how we made this smoked oxtail lasagna. Baby,
Call me today.
are you ready to eat?
I've been ready.
And as always, bafethu, cheers. Ask Kauli.
This is amazing.
They're gonna write about this in the history books. I'm saying, babe, we can finish this too, man.
I agree.
Ever feel too? Nizibonele nani how we made this smoked oxtail lasagna. Babe.
This was amazing.
And as always, Zoikleta, last bite, danko.